Hello investor, this is a quick and introduction video to our portfolio management application. This is CeyPort.lk. So when you come to CeyPort.lk, you can able to add your trading account here. So here you can able to monitor your portfolio balances and P&Ls, and likewise you can monitor your entire portfolio here. So this one is for your CSE specific portfolio. So you have to select. You can create your own trading account. Before, if you have so many broker accounts, you have so many accounts with other brokers, you can able to add it here, and you can able to monitor. And for example, I have an account with Capital Alliance, so I have put it as Capital Alliance. Then when you come here, you can see the portfolio value. So this portfolio value is calculated based on the current market value. So this is the current market value, and this is the cost I was purchased the stocks, and these are the positions currently I am having. And also you can see whatever the total P&L. So today that was 3000, still realize is 0. I had made some realize, but as I onboarded January 25th, the transaction before I had done is not here because I have to upload it manually. So what I have done is I just started from this date. I will just, after this quick go through, I will tell you how you can able to upload your positions from a chart to here. And here this is unrealized P&L, and when you come to this portfolio allocation, this chart is based on the current market value, how are my positions. So here you can see based on the current market value, my HNB shares is like holding my 12.56%. So nearly I am holding 13% of my portfolio is to HNB, and likewise 12% for capital. Likewise, you can able to see how your portfolio allocation on this box chart. And when you come to portfolio performance, this is still we are cooking it. So based from the portfolio performance, you can see how your portfolio balance is changing over the time frame. So here you can see that one. And sector allocation, you can see how much you have invested on the banking stock, how much in the financial stock, insurance stock. Likewise, you can, based on the sector, you can identify what are the proportion you have put to each sector. And when you come down, this is the main table where it has position and transaction. For positions, this is the one I just imported from A-chart. For currently, you can add it as manual. So here I will now just open my A-chart account. So in the A-chart account, if you go under portfolio, you can see my valuation. So here you have stock called AIIC. So SoftLogic, I have added a quantity 1100. So if you go here in the detail page, you can see the quantity is 1100. And when you go to the average cost, to know the average cost, you can see in here my average cost is like 76.95. So I have updated average cost as 76.95. And the current PLL, it is showing as 9512, but in the A-chart, you can see like 8457. The reason is that I haven't included the sales commission. When you are selling itself, you are incurring some commission. So in the A-chart, they have deducted that as well, and they are showing the gain. But in my case, I am not showing the selling commission. So that's why my P&L is matching with the current market value. So if the current market value is like 85.60, I am just calculating what is the P&L now. I am not including the commission, but in future I will have option to include the commission as well. And you know about what is your, when you sell, what do you make. And so here to add that position, you can go here and you can able to select the stock from here. And as you onboard today, you can choose the today's date, and you can add your quantity that existing in your position. And in the input type, just go with the average cost, because in the A-chart they are giving the average cost per share. You will go with the average cost and you will add it. So after add it, you will get inside the position tables. And after that, from today, if you started adding the position today, from today inwards or from tomorrow onwards, when you start doing some transaction, you now start adding here. So when you come, for example, for the same SoftLogic AIC share, if I buy 100 quantity with price per share, this is not without commission, right? This is without commission. What is the price you have paid to buy that stock? For example, if I buy it for 90 rupees, I will just enter 90. and I will add by transaction. So as soon as it added, you can see in the position also it get adjusted from 1100 it went to 1200 now, and the average cost also now changed, and this is your unrealized PNL. And if you sell it, then you will get the realized PNL. But I have entered this wrong, so you have an option. If you what do you do when you enter the transaction as wrong transaction? No worries, you can come here, just remove that last transaction, and you will get good to go. See, this will recalculate your position. So you just reverse your transaction, and your position also get reverse calculated. And I have to refresh. Currently this bug is there, so if you refresh it, now everything is fine. Now you can see that AISC back with 1100 and the average cost is 76.95. This is my gain. And single date, and also we are enabling your feature that you can able to click the clear all, and you can delete all the data that is on the DB as well. And there's another feature that currently we have done, that is a market heat map. This is also the helpful thing. So today you can see based on the how much the stocks have performed, and this will help you in the long time frame as well. If you select 1 year, you can see everything is green. Some of the stocks are red, but most of the things are green. And if you find this will be helpful to identify now what is going lower, and whether this is if it is 1 year period it is low, then if it is a good stock, fundamentally strong, shall I go and buy? Likewise, you can take decision on this heat map. So this heat map we have come with different date range, and also you can able to filter to the sector wise also. In future we are bringing more analysis to our platform, and also we are making your investment journey smoother and efficient. Thank you.